Where do you live? In a city? Or in a park? I'm Alex, I live here. When Park City was first mentioned in this city, how would you define it? The answers might be different. Chengdu, a megacity with a population of 21 million, is also a vast urban park. Over 1,500 parks are deeply integrated into the city, with most residents living within 500 meters of green spaces. This harmonious blend of nature and urban life dates back more than 2,000 years.
王老师，我们现在在八冰口对吗？
对对，
我想知道这个很漂亮的水，它从哪里来的？
它来自岷江。岷江是一条旱涝无常、神鬼莫测的河流，它是成都的母亲河，因为它和其他河流一起冲击形成了成都平原。但是古时候的人们对岷江是又爱又恨，为什么呢？上午大家可能还在载歌载舞、欢庆丰收，下午可能就要抱头痛哭。一发大水，冲走庄稼，卷走牛羊，才有了后来李冰修建都江堰，治理岷江。
那如果没有都江堰，可以说就没有现在的建府之国。
对，都江堰建成之后，成都平原变成了水害从人，不知饥馑，时无荒年的天府之国。因此，我们今天呈现在我们面前的就是茂林修竹，美田弥望，岷江水暖，青山如画的这样一种生态画卷，在我们眼前徐徐展开。
哇，王老师太美了！
对，都江堰的水不仅造就了天府之国，为成都人民带来了繁荣、富庶、逍遥、浪漫、悠闲的生活，同时还让我们的城市变得更美。比如都江的水流过乡村，形成了随处可见的川西林盘；都江的水流过原野，大片的湿地成为我们的城市之肺，提供了源头活水，还为动植物们的栖息提供了非常好的空间。你看，城市里面也可以看得到白鹭，对，很多各种各样的小鸟，
对，
这与我们人类和谐相处。
But how would you suggest someone live in a park? First, let my friends take you for a stroll through the parks.
Imkam, I live here. Parks are a perfect match for sunshine, especially in this amazing city. Whether it's morning or afternoon, on weekdays or weekends, wherever there are parks, locals are filled with happiness. Look, this is what outsiders are always asking.
成都人都不上班吗？
我就是在上班啊。
Environmental psychology explains how locals maintain a happy life attitude.
Leisure. Yes.
With a seemingly easy life, they never stop working. When you're surrounded by greenery, bird songs, floral scents, and the warmth of tea, your sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system come into perfect balance.
Okay.
And it blurs the boundary between your office and parks. Then, how far indeed are you from a park? Chengdu offers the answer. Only a 30-second wait. It might be right in front of your house, next to universities, around the CBD. I have lived in many countries. Delicate, passionate, or efficient as they are, still, Only in this country can I truly experience the feeling of living in a park.
Since humans' birth, they have been creating their own homeland and remolding their environment based on aesthetic principles. Parks are not the decoration of a city, but are the reflection of physical and mental growth in human development. What are the correlations among humans, development, and nature? Kyle, I live here.
12 kilometers. Chengdu is really nice greenways for running on the river, and it's just great.
For me, that's why I chose Chengdu, because you have both, and they're so accessible.
That is Chinese people's secret to life. Here you'll find no space for disharmony, and everything you can find exists in harmony with each other. For locals, it seems there's no relationship they can't balance. Whether it's a spicy or non-spicy hot pot, coffee or tea, a dream or reality, to the park or the city.
It may be one of the biggest cities in the world that's closest to massive peaks. And then about 200 kilometers away is a 7,500 meter peak. I mean, that is just ridiculous.
If you've ever been to a park in this city, you'll see that kindness comes not only from warm-hearted strangers, but also from the borderless sense and the principle of harmonious balance lying within everything. Ola, I live here.
Yes, even can see the feet are quite bright yellow. They come to us. Yeah, it's very common, and everybody know about the egret. They consider egret living in this city.
我们做过很明确的调查和研究，进入湿地之前的水质和出湿地之后的水质，比如它磷的这个含量就明显降低。经过整个湿地植物、水等的这个化学和物理的作用，直接提供了一个我们叫它生态屏障的作用。
It's a hoopoe. It's a hoopoe. It's very interesting birds of the world.
Oh, look at them play. It's very rare.
Not very rare. That's quite common, but very strange look.
Oh, okay.
Long bill, big crest. Oh, that's a night crown. So that's the hunting around that island. There's more birds here.
It's just, he opened my eyes a lot to the different nature that's around us. It's incredible that you can be in the middle of such a big city with so many buildings around, and then you come and you have this peaceful and beautiful environment to just come and relax.
Once you realize that this city is actually just a huge park in and of itself, and the city is merely clusters of buildings growing inside the park, a harmonious coexistence between humans and nature is quietly taking place. How do you define a park city? I think the answer has already been given here. So, where do you live? We live here.